In today's video, we're gonna test this Redtiger dashcam. This is the F7NP dashcam. This is a 2-channel dashcam, 4K resolution. Today we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how good it is. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is a Redtiger F7NP. It comes with a trim tool. This is the camera, 4K camera with the screen on the back. Has an SD card of 32 gigabytes. Okay, that's nice. 3 buttons on the side. The top is for the power, the rear camera, and the power connection. Okay, this is the rear camera with the cable. The connection is this one. This is the power connection for the cigarette lighter connection. This is the suction cup. Comes with the GPS integrated, 2 films to put on the window, and the manual. Okay, now this is extra. This is hard wiring kit. You can get this one if you want the parking mode turned on for your camera. So now let's install the camera. Okay, the rear camera is already installed like this, and this one you can adjust it rotating this one up and down like this. And the cable, I added a little bit of vinyl to hold the cable in here, and the cable goes from here under this plastic or rubber piece. Okay guys, now we're gonna see the features of the camera. On the left side there's a button. We can change the camera view like this, like that. We can see the speed and the direction. We can turn it off, like we'll see the front camera, the rear, and both views. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then on the left side, the right side, there are 3 buttons. The M is for the menu. We're gonna see the menu, and we're gonna check the settings. The settings, let's press M. It's okay. The first one is resolution. Oh, one time. In here, the front is 4K and 1080p for the rear. Front 2K and 1080p for the rear. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it on that one. Okay, the next one, the audio, you can turn on and off the audio. That's good. That date stamp, I'm gonna leave it on. Loop recording. I always like to leave it in 1 minute because 1 minute is easier to download the file. Okay, but you can change it for 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, the G sensor, I'm gonna leave it on medium, but you can change it to low or high or turn it off. I'm gonna leave it on medium. Fatigue, this one, maybe you get tired, it will turn off or turn on the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it off. The speed, I'm gonna leave the speed stamp on the video on. GPS stamp, I'm gonna leave that one on. Next one is speed units, miles per hour here in the United States. GPS info, that's the info, that's fine. Rear camera flip, you can flip the camera if you put it in the opposite direction. You can flip it here. I have it flipped, so I have it on. Mirrored flip camera, it's on. In this one you can scan that one and download the app. We're gonna check the app in a little bit, okay? And then in here you can turn on the Wi-Fi. Right now we're not gonna do it. We're gonna do that later. Language, you can leave it English, French, Dutch, Spanish, Espanol. So English for now. Video format 24-hour, 12. I have it in 12. Date and time, in here you can change the hour, the date, and the one on the bottom, this one, you can change the year, month, and date. I want it like that: month, date, and year. Okay, and then I have to go back in this one. Okay, time zone is already there. And then the next one, DST, is day saving time. You can turn it on and off. I have it on. Frequency in the United States, leave it on 60 Hertz. And then the next one, click the tone, it's on. You can turn it on and off there, so I want it on. The screen, you can turn it off, to turn off the screen every 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 2 minutes. I have it in 2 minutes. Okay, the parking mode, you can turn it off or with the G sensor, or 12 hours time lapse, or 24 hours time lapse. For this one, you will need a hard wiring kit. I have already a hard wiring kit here with my side mirror. Okay, so that one is okay. Format reminder, it will give you a reminder. For me, it's okay, it's off. The next one is to format the SD card. I don't wanna do that right now. It's okay. Car speed, you can check the speed of the car. It's gonna tell you if it's okay, and change to the default settings. You can click there and it will erase everything. The version, this is the version of the camera, and the website. You wanna contact them if you have any issues with the camera. That's okay. Okay, and that's it. Let's see the playback. You can see here the videos. The top one is for the front camera, and the one at the bottom is for the rear camera. Normal video, locked video, and a photo for the front. Normal video, locked video, and photo for the rear camera. Okay, we're gonna move back. And the front one, this is for the live view. That's it. So now let's test the camera. Let's see the video for the day and the night, and let's see how good it is. Let's do it. Okay, now the next thing, we're gonna download the app for the camera. So we're gonna go to the menu. Right there, that's the app. Click OK. Is Redtiger. That's the app. Let's get it. Now we already downloaded the app. Let's go to the settings again, and let's turn on the Wi-Fi. Let's click to the OK to the Wi-Fi, and then let's turn it on. Right there is the Wi-Fi name. I think that's the password. Okay, the app. It says agree. Add camera only while using app. It's okay. Okay, allow. Add camera. I already did that. Oh, we have to open the Wi-Fi. Then let's look for the F7N, that one. The password is the 1 till 8, and then let's click join. It's connected. Add camera. It's already added. And now you're right there. Cool. F7N, but this one is the F7NP. Access camera. All right. We can see the videos right there. So let's see how to download the videos first. Okay, so let's go here to videos. Oh, I took a picture. I think on this one, on the left bottom corner, that's for the videos. All right. We have the videos right here, and then click on any of the videos, and right here, oh, let me see, on the bottom it says download, and the middle view screenshot or delete. So we want to download here, and then it's downloaded. That's why I always like to make the video 1 minute long, because if you do it like 3 minutes, it takes longer to download. You see, it's already downloaded. It's amazing. So it's very easy to download the videos right there. The camera, the settings are the same that we already checked in the camera, okay, but you can change them in here on the app. All the settings we already saw on the camera, they are already here, okay, so we don't need to go over that again, okay. So now let's see the videos, let's see how they look, and let's do that next. Okay, let's start with the front camera. This is the day view for the front view camera. This is a 4K resolution. As you can see, it's pretty clear. You can see the license plates very good. It's very bright. The resolution is great. So it looks amazing. I like it. Okay, so it's great that this camera comes with a 4K resolution for the front camera. Today is a little bit cloudy, so it's not the best view, but it still looks great in the front view camera. And now this is the day view for the rear view camera. This is 1080p resolution. Today is a little bit cloudy, so it is darker than normal, but you can still see the cars, can see the license plates. The 1080p resolution, it affects a little bit on how you can see the license plate, how clear it is, but still you can see everything on the cars, okay? You can see it here. Alright, so now is the night view for the front view camera, and this is 4K resolution. This one has a night vision. You can see it right here because everything is clear. The resolution is amazing. The view is great with the night vision because you can see everything is not grainy, nothing. The license plates are readable. You can see clearly every car and everything on the road on this camera resolution. So it's great. The front camera 4K resolution, amazing. Okay, and now this is the night view for the rear view camera. This is 1080p resolution. The lights of the cars, they do affect the vision for the camera. It gets a little bit like a blurry with the lights, but you can read the license plate when it gets closer. You can read it. Okay, the resolution I think is good for what you need for a rear camera. This is good enough for that. So I like it. It's good, and these are all the views for this camera. Okay guys, this is a Redtiger F7NP. So you already saw the videos. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video. If you wanna get this camera, you can decide if you wanna get this one. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.